Hi, good morning. Welcome to Breakfast with Active Art. I will be your chef today. My name is Laura, and what I will be making for you is a chocolate donut with sprinkles. If you have a favorite breakfast item that you'd like me to try to make, or at least a painting inspired by, let me know. These breakfast series are pretty much all experiments. They're the first time I'm trying something. So you can learn along with me. The base coat is basically white paint. I have it in a bottle now. I'm not sure which. It might be Master's Touch or Sergeant Art. And then I add golden high flow acrylic white, titanium white to it. And I've been trying something new this week. It seems to be working out okay. Not convinced yet either way. Let me know if you've ever tried it or anything like it. But I put a little bit of Flow Aid from Liquitex in it. Theory being if the bottom layer moves around a little bit easier, then the paint I pour on top will. But although for this one I'm going to use a balloon smash, because I'm going to dunk that donut. Got something here. I don't know what that is. Got to be on the ready for random stuff showing up. I haven't been straining the Floetrol for these experiments, but I do occasionally. And then sometimes, you know, if you don't mix it up quite right, you might end up with a little lump. Okay. So I got a little bit darker chocolate and a little bit more milk chocolate. So I think I'll put a little bit of both in here. Try not to splatter it around too much. I do like dark chocolate butter anyway. Do you prefer darker chocolate, or do you like more of a milk chocolate or white chocolate, or you just don't like chocolate, prefer something else? What kind of donut do you like? Do you dunk your donuts? Alright, and that here. I'll put a little bit in the middle. Okay, and now we need some sprinkles. So, well, that didn't work out right. Let's see. One more pink one. Now let's get some green sprinkles in here. Outside. Alright, so let's see what the balloon does with this one. I might put in a little extra white here where Man, I tell you, when you're eating the donuts, the icing and the sprinkles, and oh, especially powdered donuts, that stuff just gets everywhere. Okay, let's try to smash this up. Here we go. Cross your fingers. Alright. Well, I only dipped part of it. Let's put a little bit over here. I got my white too thick and too thin. Alright. Too thick and too thin at the same time. Alright. Put this in here. Nope. I think I have enough white on there. I may turn this into a little bit of a Dutch pour. Alright. Go there. Where's my straw at? Ah! There we go. And the other side. And when I'm doing experiments, this often happens. I end up with one thing and I'm not sure if I like how it's going out, so I start another experiment right in the middle. Alright. Try. And don't really want to tilt that too much, because all the paint's out of the middle. Alright, well I guess I made a mess of the Dunkin' Donut. But I learned some stuff about how much paint to put on there. I definitely had too much base paint to start with for the balloon smash. So I'll go back and try that again on another visit. Well, I hope your breakfast is better than this one. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.